Why does your scanner show the P1345 engine code? What does it mean? P1345 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position, camshaft position correlation. This error code indicates a camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor correlation fault. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring and connections, timing chain problems, faulty distributor, sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Audi, Toyota, Mazda, Chevrolet, Lexus, Volkswagen, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.